In the last month, I looked at over 50 AI courses and certifications, and honestly, most of them are a complete waste of time. If you pick the wrong one, you're just spending money and time without actually getting a job or a real skill that you can show employers. In this video, I'll show you which AI certifications are worth it and which ones aren't, and the ones that actually teach skills employers actually care about. I'll go from the worst to best one so you can fully master AI. So by the end, you'll know exactly which ones can actually help you do better at your job. The first certification on the list is Generative AI for Everyone, and this one is designed for people who are completely new to AI. It's really short and simple to go through, and this course is actually a good starting point if you have never learned about AI before and just want a simple introduction to this topic. You'll see examples of AI generating text, creating images, and answering questions, which helps you understand what these tools can do. I ranked it last because it focuses on understanding AI concepts rather than giving you hands-on experience with real tools you'd use at work. Even if you want to make a small AI project at home, like creating a chatbot for your website or a tool that automatically summarizes meetings, those kinds of projects are not really covered in this course. It talks about what AI can do, but not how to make it happen yourself. And many people take it hoping it will look good on a resume, but in reality, it won't help you handle tasks at work better or get noticed by your manager. It's also very short, only 6 hours long, which might sound good, but that's also part of the problem, because there's no depth, no exercises, and no real skills to show anyone. You might feel like you know AI after finishing it, but you still won't be able to use it for actual work. That's why it's not worth much if your goal is to gain skills that actually help you in a job. So if you just want a tiny idea of what AI can do, this course is fine. But if you want to actually use AI to save time and improve your work, then you'll need something much better, and we'll cover that in the next section. This course teaches you how to use AI tools to complete tasks faster and more efficiently, and that is Google's AI Essentials course. I put this course second because it's better than the first one, but it still has its limits. Like if you're working on a long report, and instead of reading 30 pages yourself, you ask an AI tool to summarize the most important points in the matter of a few seconds. Or even if you need to draft emails, presentation outlines, or quick notes from meetings. This course shows you how to do things like that using AI tools. And these are simple, but work in real-life ways to save you time and make daily tasks easier at work. Because of that, this course is already more useful than the first one, and instead of only talking about the AI concepts, it actually shows you how to apply AI tools to actual work tasks. However, it still has some limitations. The course mainly focuses on using AI tools, but it doesn't go deeper into how these systems actually work. That means, if the AI gives a wrong answer or produces confusing results, you won't really know how to change it to improve. It also doesn't show you how to connect AI with multiple systems at work. For example, imagine your manager asks you to build a report that combines sales data from Excel, customer feedback from emails, and trends from social media. That kind of workflow requires connecting AI with several data sources, and this course doesn't go that deep. So, this course is helpful if your goal is to save time and do your daily work faster. But if you want to actually create bigger AI projects or handle real challenges at work, then you'll need a course that teaches stronger skills. And that's exactly what we'll cover in the next section. This is where things start getting more serious. So going over IBM AI Engineering Professional Certificate. This course is for anyone who wants to actually work with AI and build small projects, not just use tools to save time. This certification actually teaches skills you can use in a real job, even though it's not the most advanced program yet. One of the main parts of this course is working with Python, which is the main programming language used in AI. You learn how to make AI models that can predict things or make decisions based on data that you provide them. For example, imagine you work at a company that sends a monthly newsletter. In this course, you could build a small AI program that looks at past newsletter data and check important data like which emails people opened, which links they clicked, and which topics performed best. Using that information, the AI can predict what type of newsletter each customer is most likely to read next. This is a simple project, but it's powerful. It shows employers that you know how to take real data, let AI learn from it, and get useful results that can actually help the business. So this way, you are not just learning concepts, but you are making AI do something real. The course also introduces the basics of machine learning, which is how AI learns patterns from data instead of following strict instructions. You'll work on projects step by step, so you see how data goes in, the AI learns from it, and then you get results. You learn how to make AI models that can predict things or make decisions based on data that you provide them. At the same time, this course has its limits. The course doesn't go very deep into how to manage very large datasets or how big companies combine AI with multiple tools to solve complex problems. It also doesn't talk about advanced techniques or how to position AI in a professional environment. But the main point is, you leave the course with real examples you can show to employers, which is far more than most beginner courses offer. The reason this makes the IBM certification better than Google AI Essentials is simple, because here you are creating things, not just using them. You finish small projects, you understand how AI thinks, and you get the confidence to do more advanced AI work later. After this course, you can actually say you know how to build simple AI solutions that solve real problems, and you can make AI do something useful for you. But once you understand how to build simple AI models, the next step is learning how to apply them to real business problems, which is exactly what the next certification mainly focuses on. The Google AI Professional Certificate focuses on something different. Instead of only practicing small exercises, it shows you how to apply AI to real work problems. One reason this certification stands out is that the projects you build can actually go on your resume and be shown to employers. You aren't just learning concepts, but now you are practically doing things that solve workplace problems. Like, if you work in a marketing team, in this course, you can create a small AI program that reads customer reviews and groups them into positive and negative feedback. Then your team can quickly see what customers like or dislike and make decisions faster. You actually build the program yourself using AI tools and Python, which means you learn step by step how real AI is used in workspaces. Another example could be in sales, where you could build a simple AI system that looks at past orders and tells you which products might sell more next week. You don't need to guess or spend hours looking at spreadsheets because AI does the work for you. These kinds of projects are the things recruiters actually pay attention to, not just "I understand how AI works" on a piece of paper. Another useful part of this certification is that you learn how to handle larger projects, not just small exercises. You practice structuring a project, testing the results, fixing mistakes, and improving the system just like you would in a real job. This way, when you apply for a role, you can say, "I built this AI project and it helped solve this problem," which is much stronger than just saying, "I know AI tools." The course also starts simple and slowly becomes more challenging. At first, you work on smaller tasks like looking over the text or preparing data, but later you combine different AI techniques to solve more complex problems. With that, you don't just know AI, but you can use it to do real work, solve problems, and show proof of your skills. By the end of this certification, you have real projects you can put on your resume that show employers that you can actually apply AI to get the company results. And if you want to go even ahead of random people and handle bigger, more difficult AI challenges, the next certification I'm going to show will take you there. In this course, Microsoft AI and ML Engineering Professional Certificate on Coursera Plus, you're learning to actually build advanced AI systems that solve real problems and get noticed by top employers. That's why I placed it at the top of the list. It's one of the most complete programs for people who want to seriously move into an AI or machine learning career. Because here, you don't just touch AI, you go deep into building, managing, and deploying real AI and ML systems. For example, if you work in a company that wants to prevent fraud, then by the end of this course, you could build an AI system that looks at past transactions, spots unusual activity, and alerts the team automatically. You will learn how to set up the system, train it on real data, test it, and deploy it so it works in the real world. This isn't just random information you learn, because this is exactly what AI engineers earning over 6 figures per year do every day. You'll also learn how to use Microsoft Azure to manage everything, from storing data to running your AI programs smoothly. You can think of it as learning how to manage a full AI project from start to finish. You'll work with machine learning models, deep learning networks, and even generative AI, all in a structured way so you actually understand how to use them at work. And another strong part of this course is the Capstone project, because this is where you combine all your skills that you have learned, like building an AI tool, testing it, making it scalable, and solving a real business problem. Specifically, you could create an AI chatbot for customer support that answers questions and solves simple issues automatically, or a predictive model that tells a factory which machines might break down next, saving them the most time and money. This gives you real examples you can show employers, proving that you can take AI from idea to action. When you go through this program step by step, you also practice troubleshooting, fixing problems, and optimizing AI systems. And these are skills that employers really look for because they show you can handle real challenges in the workplace, not just follow instructions. By the end, you can show real projects, explain what you did, and prove you can handle advanced AI tasks to the companies you apply to. And having a portfolio of your real AI projects that you have done cloud experience with Microsoft Azure, and advanced skills that make you ready for high-demand jobs with great salaries starting from $177,000 to over $264,000 per year. In my opinion, this is a really solid opportunity as well, because it is the certification that truly sets you apart and can push your career forward that makes you take on bigger, more challenging AI roles. Now that you've seen which AI certifications actually help you build real skills and get noticed by employers, there's a way to access all of these certifications and hundreds more without buying them one by one. It can save you a lot of money and lets you learn at your own pace. Check out the description for Coursera Plus. It's a single subscription where you get access to top AI courses, professional certificates, and practical projects that you can actually put on your resume, which helps you stand out to employers and get results you can show in real work. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.